Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your background on Zoom. Make sure your video is enabled. Select this arrow here. Then go to adjust background and effects. To change it, you can either upload your own here or you can choose from these backgrounds. Wow, it looks like my mouse is in the sky. I like this one that I've downloaded, but that is how you can change your background on Zoom. You can also add like you have a green screen here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.